Today I am reviewing the HP 14 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 14 laptop is a compact and sleek device designed for users who need portability without sacrificing essential performance. Its thin and light design makes it incredibly easy to carry around, whether you are commuting to work, school, or just moving between rooms at home. The laptop features a 14-inch HD display with a 6.5mm micro-edge bezel, which means you get more screen space relative to the body of the device. This 79% screen-to-body ratio delivers an immersive viewing experience, allowing you to enjoy videos, browse the web, or work on documents with enhanced clarity and less distraction from thick borders. Under the hood, the HP 14 is powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 dual-core processor. While it is an entry-level chip, it strikes a good balance between performance and energy efficiency, making it suitable for everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming, video calls, and office productivity. Paired with 4 GB of RAM, the laptop handles multitasking smoothly enough for typical usage, such as running multiple browser tabs or lightweight applications. Storage is handled by a 64 GB embedded multimedia card, which provides fast and reliable flash-based storage. Though 64 GB might feel limited for some users, it's enough to store important files and documents, and you can always expand storage with external drives or cloud services. The laptop also includes Intel UHD Graphics 600, which supports smooth 4K video streaming and casual gaming, making it more versatile than many basic laptops. This makes it a great choice if you want to watch movies in high definition or play light games without lag. Another highlight is the inclusion of Windows 11 Home and a full 1-year subscription to Microsoft 365. This software bundle adds significant value, as you get access to popular productivity apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with cloud storage and regular updates. Windows 11 enhances the user experience with a modern, streamlined interface and improved security features. Overall, the HP 14 laptop offers solid performance for users who want a budget-friendly, portable device for everyday computing tasks. Its thin design, vibrant HD display, and all-day usability make it an excellent choice for students, remote workers, or anyone looking for a lightweight laptop to handle basic needs. While it may not be suited for heavy gaming or intensive software, its value for typical day-to-day use is impressive. Whether you're streaming content, working on projects, or staying connected with loved ones, this laptop delivers a reliable and enjoyable experience without breaking the bank.